Assalamu alaikum everyone. Right, so ICP made one green and Bitcoin is making a green. Of course, Bitcoin is going back for the retest at 41,000, maybe get rejection here and then move down to 34 or $33,000. So what's the deal with ICP? What is ICP really doing? Is this a credible pump? Is this going to move to the upside? There are two ways that people are looking at what ICP is doing right now, right? Number one is if you take this upper resistance, it does look like you have broken it because you got rejection here, you went down, you got rejection there, you went down, another rejection here, you went a little bit lower, and now it does look like you ended up breaking above that line. So this is one way to look at things. And the second way to look at coins now is that if I remove this trend line for a second there, the second type of people are going to look at this other trend line. So if you take that trend line and you print this trend line like a little bit something like this, then you still have an issue here because the support has been broken and you're still not doing anything good. So you have the support here, you got the support there, and you had that support, a break to the downside, try to break it, you went down and then you went for the retest here, and then you're coming up here again. So it does look like you still have issues, and you also have mini left shoulder, head here, and the right shoulder. So there's a little bit of inverse head and shoulder. And all I can say is, you know, if ICP breaks $12.4 and then stays above $12.4, that's when I do believe that, you know, this move is actually something to look after. I'm still not convinced with any of this move up. And if you do break that 12.4 and you make this inverse head and shoulder, then you could be looking for a pump up to 14.837. But the thing is that if you're not going to be doing that, I don't really think ICP is doing anything for me to say it's going to go up here, not just yet. But time will tell, keep an eye. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.